With spring break kicking off all over the area and those traveling for vacation and family holiday gatherings, buyer activity fell 10.1% last week and new purchase contracts slid 12.9%. It's Friday, March 29th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. There are 1,349 homes for sale, falling slightly week over week. 93 properties are coming soon, slightly up. 165 came to the market since last week, falling this week. 107 went under contract, also falling from last week. 98 moved to pending, this too a fall from my prior report. 125 sold at 96.6% list to sold ratio, and days before contract fell to 25 days. The highest priced home to sell was in McDaniel for $1,100,000 in all cash. Rental homes fell to 80 at a median $2,150 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, March 29th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.